Very welcome, guys. This is Saqlain, and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be taking you through the quick unboxing of my new, machine. You can say I'll use it for video editing and editing of pictures and some gaming purpose also. So this is the new series that has launched by Lenovo. So it's called as Legion. So I'll take you through the contents of the box, what we get it. Yeah, just bear with me because I'm handling it from my one hand. Okay, so very decent packing. So once you open up the box, you get this cover, and let's keep this laptop aside and I'll show you what else do you get in this box. So yeah, so this is the charger brick and the power cord. This is the power cord, and I got this gaming mouse free of cost with this laptop. So let's keep it aside, and there are some instruction manual. Nobody reads it. Okay, so let's keep this aside for a bit and I'll show you. Okay, yeah, so this is it. So this is the 5i model with i7 processor, 10th generation, and you get the graphics card NVIDIA 1630 Ti, the latest one. And the good thing about this webcam is like you can control it whether it's on or not. You can close the flap, so this is good for the security purpose. So never know who is looking at you from your webcam these days. So at the back side of this laptop, you get this is the network card. There are two USB 3.0 ports. There is one HDMI charging port and one USB type C. So on the right side you'll get one USB port, and on the other side also you get USB port and the earphone and mic jack. The only demerit that I think about this laptop is there's no SD card slot, because that is the only thing that I think should have been included with this kind of premium laptop. So I got it from Reliance Digital. I was looking for it on the Amazon, but it was priced a bit higher and they were not offering any kind of accessories with it. So I preferred to buy it offline, and I have got this premium bag free of cost. Yeah, so talking about the configuration again, let me take you through this. So this is the 5i model, Intel i7 10th generation. So the RAM is 16 gigs, and the best part is you get 1 TB of HDD, that is normal hard drive, and you get 256 GBs of SSD, so which is very fast, and it could be useful for editing videos and rendering stuff. The other thing that is good about this laptop is that you get the graphics card, NVIDIA graphics card 1650 Ti, which is the upgraded version of the normal 1650. So this is for it has a capacity of 4 GBs, and you get Windows 10 pre-installed, and you get the licensed version of MS Office also. So that's it, guys. I will check this laptop and I'll update you soon. So mostly I'll be using Premiere Pro and Photoshop and Lightroom on this, and I'll also try to use DaVinci Resolve, and let me edit some videos in will show you how is the workflow and how does this laptop respond. Thank you and stay connected. See you. Bye bye.